Afternoon, YouTube. I had this idea and thought I'd run it by you guys because I've been dying to get an automatic battery bonder and I don't have money for a $10,000 Chinese one. So I have a $100 Chinese one. One of these right here, real nice machine. I used it until I broke it. So I'm gonna rebuild it. I got the board from it. I got the bonding head, and the transformer with the leads. Alright, I actually send the electrical pulse to do the welding. Alright, and then what else I got here is a broken laser printer that I got on eBay. Alright, so rather than fix the laser printer or the laser cutter, which is a 3-axis table, got front and back, left and right, little stepper motors around it, and also a little Arduino board that does the motion control via some software or a laptop, or there's a USB on the side there. Comes with its own power supply, and I think it's the perfect thing to begin to work with because it leaves me a lot of space for my other parts. An on-off switch, test pulse button, I can adjust the current. It's perfect. It's exactly what I need for what I'm trying to do. So I'm a good mechanic. The software part is going to be a lot of fun. Know a little bit about Mach 3, and I think that'll probably be the ideal choice. But there she is. Automatic battery welder. Doing it by hand takes a long time.